If you think about the insurance market, it's a lot of fixed incomes, so bond-related investments.
So to their credit, they lowered their pricing back in 2023.
If you have a caregiver come to your home 5 days a week, they're going to have no problem creating the receipts and so forth for the insurance company. Hey guys, I'm Drew with LTC Tree. I'm here with my cousin Derek, and today we are going to talk about
The Lincoln MoneyGuard.
Yep, so we're doing a summer 2025 market update. We're doing them on several different policies. So if you're out shopping for hybrid plans, you've probably heard of Lincoln.
Yeah, they're the company that pioneered, they invented the hybrid long-term care space way back in 1987. So they've been doing it longer than anybody.
Yep, we've sold lots of Lincoln and many other companies' policies. And so we thought, okay, summer 2025, let's make an up-to-date comparison of how the MoneyGuard product, which there's two MoneyGuards, let's talk about that too. If you're looking at MoneyGuard, there's two different sub versions.
That's right. Yeah. So the Lincoln MoneyGuard, the most popular one, it's a hybrid long-term care insurance policy, which means it combines long-term care insurance with life insurance. Now, we sell all the companies, and we didn't sell very many Lincoln policies up until 2023. That's when, believe it or not, they lowered their prices.
Yeah.
Why they lower the prices? That's kind of unheard of. What happened?
Yeah. Well, if you think about the insurance market, it's a lot of fixed income, so bond-related investments. And so as interest rates have gone up and mortgage rates have gone higher, that actually benefits little old ladies with their savings in interest-bearing accounts and insurance companies.
So to their credit, they lowered their pricing back in 2023, and they developed a really compelling product that when we spreadsheet it out, it's usually the top one or two on the spreadsheet, which means it's the cheapest. So you have to put in the least premium for the benefit dollar you get.
And it's a great policy. It has no waiting period for home care. So a lot of plans, most plans are going to make you wait 90 days once you need long-term care. And regardless of whether you're in home or facility, it's across the board.
It's just no waiting period. Yeah, most clients, or most policies have a 90-day waiting period. This is just no waiting period. You can use benefits from day one, which is nice.
Yeah, we were talking about it the other day. 30 years from now, we don't want our clients to have forgotten about the fact that there's a 90-day waiting period.
Yeah.
And then they're aggravated when they go to make a claim and they have to wait 90 days. So with Lincoln, you don't have to worry about that. It does have cash indemnity junior, cash indemnity light. And they might be changing this in the future, but in the current state of things, let's talk about, so cash indemnity, what does that mean?
So Lincoln, they used to have zero cash indemnity. Now they developed a 50% cash indemnity. What is cash indemnity? As opposed to having to submit receipts to get paid back, they'll give you 50% of the money, no questions asked. They don't care how you're spending. If you want to put it in your bank account, you can certainly do that, tax-free. But the other 50%, you want to have to account for the actual expenses. You'd have to submit an assisted living facility bill, for example. So it's ideally, it'd be best to have 100% cash indemnity, but the benefit of this is they're giving you slightly more long-term care benefits in a lot of situations. So it's definitely worth consideration.
It is. I should say that cash indemnity is a 50% is on a per diem basis. So you can pick the days where you get 100% for full reimbursement or 50% for cash. Yeah. So how does that actually play out? I mean, unfortunately, both of us have seen long-term care claims in our own families.
That's right.
If you have a caregiver come to your home 5 days a week, they're going to have no problem creating the receipts and so forth for the insurance company. Maybe on the weekends, the family's taking care of you. Well, at least you can get 50% of your money.
Exactly.
So it could work out almost as good as any of the other plans.
Yeah. So again, we just want to come in today and just do a refresher on the Lincoln MoneyGuard product.
Still very competitive.
Yeah, and it's one of our top-selling products of 2025. I'd say it's probably number 2 if I had to rank them just off the top of my head. It's up there.
Yeah.
But we're LTC Tree. We work for you, not one company. If you want to learn more, call us. We'll pick up the phone. We're one of those old school agencies that will happy to talk with you. We'll FedEx you quotes from all the companies. Go to our website, ltctree.com, fill in the form, and we'll help you compare all the companies out there.
Yep. So thanks for watching, guys.
See you guys.